In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix embed not working issues on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Products section and select the product you want to embed on your website. After opening the product, click on Share and choose the Embed or Buy button option. Now copy the full embed code carefully. Make sure you copy the complete code and not just a small part of the script. Next, paste the embed code in the correct place on your website. If you are using WordPress, use a custom HTML block instead of a normal text or visual editor. If you are using Webflow, paste the code inside an embed component. And if you are using Shopify, use a custom HTML section for the embed code. After that, check for script blocking issues. Some website builders, browser extensions, or ad blockers may prevent external scripts from loading properly. You can temporarily disable script blockers and refresh the page to test the embed again. Also, make sure your website is using HTTPS because Gumroad embeds may not work correctly on non-secure HTTP websites. If the embed still does not appear, clear your browser cache and website cache, then reload the page again. You can also test the embed on another browser or device to make sure the issue is not browser related. Most Gumroad embed problems are caused by incorrect code placement, blocked scripts, caching issues, or unsupported website sections. Once everything is added correctly, your Gumroad product should display properly on your website. And that's how to fix embed not working issues on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.